Hello friends, in this video we are going to know everything about Jupiter being at opposition this month. So make sure to watch this video till the end to know everything about this event, including what exactly does Jupiter at opposition mean, when will this event occur, etc. Also, if you missed this event, Jupiter will be in opposition directly 13 months after this. So don't miss out this event. So first we'll see what does Jupiter at opposition exactly mean and what will happen in this event. So basically Jupiter will be in opposition to the Sun in this period, and this is when Earth will fly between the Sun and Jupiter will appear opposite the Sun in our sky. Jupiter is always bright, but it will be at its brightest when at or near opposition. Now we'll see when will this event occur, that is what are its dates and timings. So this event will occur on the night of August 19 to 20 at about 12 in the midnight. In United States time zones, that's August 19 at 8 pm. Eastern Daylight Time 7 pm. Central Daylight Time 6 pm. Mountain Daylight Time 5 pm. Pacific Daylight Time 4 pm and 2 pm Hawaiian Time. So now we'll see how to differentiate between Jupiter and Venus in the night sky. This is actually the most important part of the video. Why? Because here we are looking out for Jupiter, not Venus. So don't skip this part, otherwise you may mistake Venus for Jupiter. So how to spot the difference between both? Venus is brighter than Jupiter, and Venus is up in the west after sunset while Jupiter is in the east in the evening. Venus is nowhere near Jupiter on the sky's dome. In fact, it will be possible around August 19th to 20th, the time of Jupiter's opposition, to see Jupiter and Venus in the same sky at dusk. As if they're sitting on two ends of a seesaw, they'll appear on opposite sides of the sky. Venus will be blazing low in the west while Jupiter opposite the Sun will be sitting low in the east at sunset. As Venus descends towards the western horizon, Jupiter will be ascending in the eastern sky. You'll need an unobstructed horizon in both directions to see both Venus and Jupiter. As dusk subsides into evening, Venus will be descending in the evening sky, meanwhile Jupiter will be ascending in the east. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Make sure to subscribe for more interesting content like this, and also like this video if you found it useful.